In a world of wonder, we unite as three, a family embarking on adventures so free. With hearts intertwined, we journey hand in hand, creating memories cherished like footprints in the sand. Together we wander, exploring the unknown, discovering landscapes where dreams have grown. Because family is precious, a bond beyond compare, and traveling together is a love we all share. Through our blog's embrace, we aim to inspire, to ignite your wanderlust, set your spirits on fire. From ancient ruins to the skies so blue, we'll share our journey, encouraging you. In India's embrace, we roam far and wide, unveiling her beauty, our hearts open wide. We fly across the globe, new cultures we embrace, and drive across our homeland in all its grace. This is why we travel, united and strong, to show you that adventure belongs to every family, big or small. 'Cause together, we can conquer it all.